Sobrang ganda niya. As in, nakikita ko na super saya niya. Dito ka. Dito. Kasi ito ang gulo ko.
Mabait na bata.
Hindi.
Mabait, minsan makulit. Minsan masaway ng konti. Pero tumatital, mabait na bata.
Right here in the moonshine. Right here.
Wow!
On a quiet lake
Pero ukakon.
by an oak tree.
Message ko lang sa kanya. Sana huwag siyang laging magisuplada. Yun lang. Iyak ba ako?
Iyak siya.
Hindi ako iyak kasi lagi ako niya ako eh. Ano kaya to? Parang lugi ako ah. Sabi ko na eh. Lugi pala siya.
Lugi siya?
Oo, Bobby, I love you. Thank you, Soggy. Kaya ako sa'yo ba? Oo, pre. Parang first time sa ganito. Dinibdiba mo pa ako ah.
Pampalakas yun.
Lace wildflower bouquet in a dress I can't afford. First man I ever loved, ready to place my hand in yours.
Kinakabahan ka na.
Kaya mo
Bakit?
yan.
Huwag kang kabahan. Parang haba nung message ko, tapos ganito lang.
Pinag-isipan niya yan.
Hi, Bobby. Takes time to capture and feel the memories. I love you, you're my choice.
Here's to the days of bills unpaid and being afraid of getting older. Jobs they came and went, so did most our friends. Felt like the rain would never quit.
It is not just this union that we are celebrating.
We slowed down.
This afternoon, we are asked to believe that even before the mountains were made, the seas were established, and the earth was created.
I still
God
remember
has
the first
already
time
have you in
that
His
first
very
night.
mind.
You held me in your arms, pulled me in and we locked eyes. My left hand in your right, you danced me across the kitchen floor and
Mahal, Charles Catilpin. Naalala ko noong July 25, 2022. Noong una tayo nagkausap sa Instagram. Sa totoo lang, first impression ko sa'yo, medyo suplado ka. Pero nagbago ang lahat nung nakita mo ang IG story ko. At tinanong mo ko kung okay lang ba ako. Simple lang na tanong, pero para sa akin, napakalaking bagay nun.
days of bills unpaid and being afraid of getting older. Jobs they came and went, so did most our friends. Felt like the rain would never.
Hi, Bobby. Today, I stand here with a grateful heart. Ba't nga ba tayo napunta sa wedding? Way back, 2022. Ako ba yung nag-chat or ikaw? Either way, at least ako lang yung strongest sa lahat na nanligaw sa'yo.
It's a chapter. It's the day of I do and the happily ever after that.
Doon ko unang nakita kung gaano ka ka-genuine at kung gaano kalambot ang puso mo. Hindi ko inakala na ang simpleng conversation na iyon ang magiging simula ng napakagandang story ng buhay ko.
Whenever we realize that there are 8 billion people around the world, we feel so small and we feel so insignificant. Not until the day that there is someone so significant who will notice us, who will see us, who will love us, and who will take care of us forever.
And now, here we are. It started with a late night conversation, then turned into wedding. Bobby, either way, mahal na mahal kita.
From that moment, you slowly became my safe place. Sa'yo ko naranasan yung pakiramdam na hindi ko kailangang magpanggap na pwedeng akong maging ako lang. At sa bawat araw na magkasama tayo, lalo kong nakita kung gaano kabuti ang puso mo.
Thank you, Bobby. Alam ko, matagal ko nang gusto to. Ngayon, binigay mo. Thank you. I love you.
Hindi mo mapapasaya yun ng na hindi niya nabibili yung gusto niya. Kailangan mabibili niya.
In the rain. That's alright.
And so we celebrate that finally Grace has found her Charles, and Charles has found his Grace. Masaya kami para sa inyo. Kanina kung nakita mo lang yung mga bridesmaids mo, mas malakas pa silang humagulgulo sa paglakad mo kanina. Because everyone rejoices and are so happy for you. Because it is so seldom that we find our soulmate in a world that does not anymore believe in eternity, perpetuity, and
For
eternity.
rain. Says you're coming soon. Well, you know exactly what I'm gonna do. I just look up to the sky and I say that's okay. 'Cause today, well, I want
Today, as I stand here in front of you, my heart overflows, not just with joy, but with gratitude. Out of everyone in the world, God chose you for me, and I will cherish you forever.
God has seen this day coming, and Charles believed that in the deepest recesses of your heart, na pinanganak ka sa mundong ito for a purpose, for a reason. And today, as the husband of Grace, you realize that that reason and that purpose has a face, has a heart.
If you were the rain, I'd be saying
I always dream about this day. As you walk to the aisle, ayan na yung nakita kong sagot sa lahat. For the past 3 years, you always trust me, you always love me, and I love you 3,000.
Salamat dahil pinakita mo sa akin kung ano ang tunay na pagmamahal. Yung may patience, may understanding, at may faith. At mula ngayon hanggang sa habang buhay, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.